Afternoon guys, welcome sa Mavs. So test natin ENC WB 644 WB and Army Armament R613 Staccato. Ayan, test natin para kay Bossing. So R3 full metal, naka mid cap magazines. Yan, MK18 R3. Then, ito yung Staccato R613. So, unahin ko na to, test ko na 350 FPS out of the box. Price pala nito is 6,300. And then itong 644 13,150. Ito yung new batch. And FPS out of the box 450. 447 auto. So consistent. So guys, for details, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby PH. Thank you kay boss.